In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to divide using the counting method. So we have 16 divided by 4. I'm going to teach you how to count this and get the same answer in two ways. The first method, you count 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we are going to divide into 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many 4 do we have in 16? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, our answer is equals to 4. So for the second method, you're going to use your head method. You're going to draw 4 heads. Since you're dividing by 4, you draw your 4 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to distribute the 16 under each head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many does each head have? So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, 16 divided by 4, you still have 4. So you either choose the first method or the second method. Number 2, we are going to solve 15 divided by 3. So we use the head method. 1, 2, 3. And we'll distribute 15 under each head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many does each head have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, our answer is equals to 5. Number 3, we have 14 divided by 2. We are going to use our counting method. We'll count 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We divide by 2s. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So how many 2 are in 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, our answer is equals to 7. So I'm going to leave you with 1 so that you solve and write your answers in the comment section. 20 divided by 5. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.